morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Today we're going to take a little look at software, the online version versus the desktop version, and why you'd want to do one versus the other. So online version, like Google Sheets or Google Docs or any of those, they're online versions. So easy, convenient, you can get to it, but they're not quite as powerful. So if you're just doing the basic type of configurations or editing or generating of the content, online stuff is easy. Or if you're making simple edits to documents, easy. Now if you're going to get into stuff that is more complex, like pivot tables and spreadsheets, or very complex tabs and indexing and that kind of stuff in your long Word document, then you're going to want to use the desktop version because it has a lot more tools. Also, the desktop version, like Word, Excel, they're going to be a lot more responsive to whatever you're doing. Now, Word also has an online version and a desktop version. So it's not just Google that has the online version. Microsoft has the online version too. So again, convenience, easy. You can connect to it on your mobile devices. So if you need to look at the content or make simple edits, you can do it from there, do it from the website, do it from any computer that has connection to the web. So really convenient, but again, not as powerful. The Word version online versus the Word version on the desktop, you have probably about 65 to 70% of the capabilities in the online version versus the desktop version. So you may or may not need desktop software depending on how complex your documents are. So just something to think about. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and remember, at 303 Tech, we like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.